Remember when Manchester United lost to Tottenham last year in the Europa League final? And it pissed me off so much. So, like when you have a girlfriend and she just make you so upset you gotta work and vex you whole day just and you reach home you swamp and you see her in a short charts, you say, send some more. For good. You understand? Maybe vex some more. That's what I feel about Manchester United. Every time we think about Manchester United and Tottenham. Tottenham lose again. Yo! Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. No, Tottenham didn't lose. They draw, but still, they're on the brink of winning a drawing, bro. People, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there, sir. If you're brand new, you're for real. Blue fam. Let's go. So, Tottenham 2-2 today. Zine. And my thing is, Manchester United could have been playing in the Champions League this season. Manchester United could have had a little bit of valor back to after last season, but they lost. Eric Ten Hag, Garnacho, Bruno, all them for blame, yes, but just witnessing Manchester United playing, just witnessing Tottenham playing football week in, week out, just grinds my blood clot gears, brother. It grinds me gears. I tell you why. Today, Tottenham had to get Vicky Van der Ven and Romero score for him enjoy the game today. Nothing wrong with defender scoring. I don't have a problem with that. But the fact that Tottenham have a manager that they bring from Brentford, who everyone thought he was doing well at Brentford, deserve a promotion, fine. But since he's been at Tottenham, bro, it has been shit after shit after shit. He has a bunch of players, bunch of money for spend on players, nothing. None of them have Gallagher. Just bring Gallagher about a week ago. And Gallagher is exactly what I thought he was before he went to the La Liga, and now he's back. Nothing but a track star. Yeah? Manchester United a year for this, you know. I love watching Tottenham downfall. I love listening to expression on YouTube. But still, bro, a year for Manchester United, a year blood clot fault. Your fault. Liverpool. Trojos. What on, bro? What's going on? My one friend who know follow Liverpool, Trojos. What's going on, bro? What the actual fuck is that, man? I don't know, bro. You go over Marseille, go beat Marseille 3 or there, drop 3 on Marseille, and then to the Bournemouth there, 3 points above it, the drop. They got the 2 up in the first half, you know. I looking for Ibal Ikoshi when name Van Disney shoulder. You get 2-1. And then, okay, great goal for the second goal. Alright, fine. But what happened for defending the throwing, bro? You man are shit, bro. You man are absolute doodle waste. I love it. I love it. Man City, good win today. I can see you man winning Wolves, no problem. 2-0, no problem. No issues with beating Wolves. Yes, baby. Sit right here, baby. Sit right here. But you man are not dependent on Manchester United again this week, because last week you tried, but you know Manchester United run up on you and spit all over your face. Manchester United go in your yard, shit in your toilet, and say, "Yo, clean it," and just walk out. I know you are dependent on Manchester United to go beat Arsenal tomorrow. They're not the Emirates. Speaking of that, Arsenal tomorrow We are going on your yard. And I seen you go last week, I seen you go this week. We eat a big load of food tonight. Drink up a bag of a box of eggnog. I go in your yard and shit up down at the Emirates. And walk out and tell her, yo, clean it. And then only can figure it out after that. Me just want them 6 points. Yeah? I'm just wanting those 6 points. What Pep Guardiola did last game was a travesty. Was a fucking travesty. In the rate Manchester United, so him say, alright, cool. We're gonna leave Rodri in our midfield, make him do what he want to do. Him alone can govern the midfield. We're gonna send Cherokee and like a Maga boy from Portugal, number 2, number 10 them up. Leave the 2 winger them up and wide and leave Alan up. Just make Rodri run midfield. Nothing wrong with that. Rodri look like a piece pot, brother. He look like something where just can't spit in the last game. What the hell was that, bro? There was so much space between the lines, between the defenders and Rodri. We was even life in the midfield the other day. Because you man didn't decide to put a number 8 next to him. So he can go up and backwards. You just say, alright, just key 2 number 10, put him up forward. You man are posters, you know, Manchester United. That's why I forget. That's why I should have 10 to get, you know. So a blood clot 10 to get, but it's alright. Tomorrow, that won't be the case because Declan Rice will be in the midfield along with Mendy. So we have to find a different way to exploit Arsenal. Or will they do it? Not too sure, but I know how they could. I understand. Whichever side Timber upon, that's what we focus on. I saw about Timber, the same Timber is that. Bull crap. Focus on Timber. You get on Timber, breeze. I want him to play on the right hand side. I want him to play on your right, my left. No, on my right is left. I want him to play left back. I mean, say you from Italy injured, so he can play left back. He can play right back, man. He can play left back, so we can play on right. Because Ahmad going to have a fun day with him blood clot. Ahmad will have a brass day with him clot tomorrow. That tomorrow I'm gonna show why real blood clot star boy. And that's something until tomorrow. You know? Wait till tomorrow. Man. It's a blood clot tomorrow. People, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right now if you're brand new. Best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.